Welcome everybody to the tutorial episode of your favorite channel Tech YouTube. And I am Muhammad Guljar Hussain giving you the tutorial. Today I am gonna show you how to deactivate your Facebook account or delete your Facebook account permanently. To do it, please go to your web browser and write your Facebook address here, www.facebook.com. And if you have logged in with your password, you will go onto your Facebook account. And in this tutorial I have divided the whole tutorial into two parts. And first part, suppose you want to deactivate your Facebook account for a certain time, so what will you do now? And the other part, I have showed that you want to delete your Facebook account permanently, that means forever. And what will you do then? In every cases, what you will have to do now is that you have to back up your whole Facebook information at your computer. So how to do it? Now let's go. At first, go to the down arrow button here and click on it, and then go to setting options. After going to setting options, you will find here download a copy of your Facebook data. In every cases, suppose you want to deactivate your Facebook account for a certain time or delete your Facebook account permanently. In every case, you have to download the whole backup of your Facebook account. So to do it, please click on download a copy options. Download your information. So start my archive. Click on it and start my archive option. Then click on again. OK. See here that my Facebook data is ready for download. So click on it, download archive. And here what you will have to do now, that I have to put my password here and submit again. See that my Facebook account backup has been downloaded. Now, dear friend, what I will have to do now is that I have to decide which things I want to do. Suppose I want to deactivate my Facebook for a little time. Then what will I have to do now is that again go to your settings options, then click on general, and then click on manage account, and then go to below part and click on the deactivate your account. Click on it, and here is an option, why do you delete or deactivate your account? So here you may choose any options here. So I will choose, I will use I don't find Facebook useful. So click on it and close, and give a dot mark here and click on deactivate. Here, are you sure you here you will have a message. Are you sure you want to deactivate your account? Yes, deactivate now. See here the message is your account has been deactivated. To reactivate, so that means I have been deactivated my account for some times, and if I wish to reactivate my account, then we will be able to reactivate my account again. So this is the one method. Suppose after some days you have changed your mind and changed your decision that you want to reactivate your Facebook account. So how will you do that? You have to reactivate your account, login using your old login Gmail account, login email account, and your password. Then here is my email address which I have with which I have opened my Facebook account, and here is my password. Then I can press login button to reactivate my Facebook account. So press login button. Yeah, you have successfully reactivated your Facebook account, and you have got back all the information of your Facebook account. So dear visitors, you have another options at your hand. Suppose you pass a long time with your Facebook account and everybody dislikes you for your Facebook account's intimacy, and being frustrated with your Facebook account, you want to delete your Facebook account permanently. How will you do that? So let's go. to delete your Facebook account permanently, you have to go to your browser and write the address www.facebook.com/help/delete account, and now press enter button. See, here is a delete option your Facebook account permanently. So what will you have to do now is that you have to click on delete my account. Yeah, and giving a password and filling out the captcha. Now click on OK. Here you will get another message, permanently delete account, and you will have another final message here, your account has been deactivated from the site and you will be permanently deleted within 14 days. If you log into your account within next 14 days, you will have the option to contact your request. Okay, so I want to delete my Facebook account permanently, so here's the option, click on OK. So dear friends and dear viewers, you have permanently delete a Facebook account. So if you have ever changed your mind to reactivate your account, you will have to log in your email and password and you will get back your Facebook account. Otherwise you will not. After 14 days you will lost your Facebook account permanently. So dear visitors, how do you enjoy this tutorial? If you find this tutorial is helpful for you, please make comment below the tutorial and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update from my channel. So till then, bye bye.